Hello and welcome to ET Garage. I hope everybody's having a great day. I want to thank everybody that subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. If you haven't, helps my channel grow, and I'm now monetized, and I make the money I make is just a little bit, but I appreciate it. It helps pay for my projects and stuff like that. So today's video, I'm just going to go over my other Targa top. Anyone who has a 84 through 96 Corvette, they have the Targa top. A lot of people don't take them off. A lot of people do. They came two different Targa tops, a solid top and a transparent top. Now, the transparent ones, I believe, came in different shades. They came like a bluish and like a brownish shade. The one I have on my 90 Corvette is bluish, and it's a lot lighter than the solid one. This is a solid one. I actually paid $75 for this. It was bright yellow off of Facebook Marketplace. Bright yellow, and the headliner was, it actually didn't look bad, but boy, it smelt bad. I don't know where it was stored or what, but it was bad. So if you have something like that, you could buy the new headliner, and they have them. I believe it's just Velcroed up there. I've never dealt with the factory one, but other than taking that one off, and I be honest, I can't. That was a while ago. I took it off, so I can't remember. And hopefully you guys can see that. But this, I just got some material off of eBay. I got this pleated material, diamond pleated material, a piece of cardboard. Just wrap that cardboard with that, cutting and fitting and going back and forth, and it came out like that. And the first time I put this on, I just used 3M upholstery adhesive and glued it in with that. And I went to a car show. It was a nice hot day. It got nice and hot. And as soon as I pulled in the car show, the headliner fell on my head, which made good impressions, I'm sure. It was interesting. Anyway, I ended up gluing it back on with liquid Needles, and since then it has not come off, and probably never will, I hope. But like I said, you can see this, the solid top is a lot heavier than the transparent top. If I get around to weighing it, I'll let you know. But so I'm sure that you can find the weight out there on the internet. But to cover up the bright yellow, I just went ahead and got some carbon fiber vinyl wrap off of eBay. And let me see if I can get a better view of that. Yeah, there we go. And I wrapped it. It's not a great wrap job, but it looks good from 10 feet away. I'm sorry I got the gloss. I might do a wrapping video. I'm not a professional rapper, and there's people out there that can rap better than I can. But I'd rather use the like the matte finish. I think looks better. Like I have the gloss, it looks great, but the matte finish I think looks better. So I might rewrap this, and on the nose of my car I have wrap too. I did wrap that to cover up all the 237,000 miles of dings that were in it. And a lot of people comment on it. Look at that carbon fiber, that's going to be expensive. I said, that's not carbon fiber, that's vinyl wrap. But if you're in need of a Targa top, and just search around eBay Marketplace or eBay or Facebook Marketplace or any of those places, Craigslist, and you can try and pick one. I get lucky like I did. I got real lucky, 75 bucks. I don't think the person realized what this was and what they're worth. They usually go for a lot more. But if you get lucky like me and you need another top, like I said, just be patient and keep looking. The advantage of the solid top is, like, it's going to start getting into the 90s this week. When it starts getting in the 90s, I take the transparent one off. That comes down here in the basement in my workshop and just collects dust during the summer. This one goes on, and it blocks the sun and your head doesn't fry. The air conditioning in my car works fantastic, so but even on a hot 90 day with the sun directly over, shining through that transparent top of your head will get hot. Doesn't matter how cold you make it in the car, it just gets hot. The sun's beating on it. So That's it for this video. Just a short little video for the Memorial Day weekend 2022. I hope everyone has a great Memorial Day weekend. And God bless.